Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Cruising in Cars. So today's a big day. Today's header install day. I'm gonna be heading over to DSG Performance and have the guys. They're gonna be installing headers on the car. Finally, after about a year or so, Aaron had some headers installed on his car, and he's been kind of putting that bug in my ear to hurry and get mine. So Uncle Sam was finally nice to me and decided to give me a tax return, so I spent that on headers for the car. So yeah, so we're gonna be going over there doing that. My appointment's at 9, so be heading over there shortly. But before there, I wanted to do a one last cold start of the current exhaust system I have on the car. The only thing with the car is it's got stock manifolds, cats. It's got the stock active exhaust system. The only thing that's different is the Steeda H pipe that's on there. So we're gonna fire it up, have y'all listen to the last cold start with the stock, everything except the H pipe. Alright, so that was the last cold start with the basic exhaust system. So next time y'all hear this beast get fired up, it's going to have the new headers on there. So what the plan is today is the guys over at DSG, they said they can get this thing done in like just a matter of 2 hours or so, two to 3 hours. So I'm going to be timing them. I'm gonna have the stopwatch app running on my phone. So from the time they pull it into the shop, put it on the lift, and do all that to the time that they fire the car up for the first time with the new headers on, I'm gonna be doing a timer, and I'm gonna try to document most of this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go through all 3 of my batteries on this camera, see if I get a good time lapse, and hopefully they don't all die. So that's the plan, at least. All right, so we made it to DSG Performance. I'm pretty sure, I mean, their doors are open, but we'll wait, give them a few minutes. They just opened. We'll go inside and check in, and we'll get started. All right, well, they're quick to get it in here. So, like I said, 2 hours, give or take. Here we go. All right, so we're getting it loaded onto the lift right now. Got my stopwatch. So here we go. So I'm predicting 2.5 hours, give or take. So I'm saying 2.5 hours. What say you?
I'm thinking about 3.
3?
I don't know.
Man, not a lot of faith in these guys.
2 hours and 15 minutes. Is that better?
Say that again.
2 hours and 15 minutes.
Okay. She says 2 hours 15 minutes. I say 2.5 hours.
14:45 minutes, and we already got the driver's side off. Got the driver's side going in. 27:25. "28 minutes, and both manifolds are out, and both the headers are already in the car." We're at almost 30 minutes. Got the new stuff in already. Look at that big, ugly, bulky looking crap. It's so pretty.
Well, getting buttoned up.
Yeah.
So that's what is that like under an hour?
51 minutes 24 seconds so far, and in and out in less than an hour.
So yeah, under an hour they gotta read.
So we were way off with the. I was at 2.5. She was at 2:15. Aaron was at 2 hours. It's under an hour, and they're practically done with the car. So.
With all the bullshit.
With all the bullshit. Yeah, we had had some technical problems with the
Was
bolts.
it a bolt that you had an
The
issue
nuts
with?
and bolts didn't want to go in, but
Yeah. When the steel and aluminum sits for a long time,
It don't mix.
sometimes pulling the studs out on the passenger side will pull some threads on the front.
Yeah.
yeah. But got it all in and out, and they're doing some last minute touches to it, and we'll lower it and get it started for the first time. All right, they're bringing it down. Hopefully they'll do a few more things to button up, I assume, and we'll fire it up for the first time.
Okay.
So we are at less than 1 hour, 56 minutes, and already got it up and down, everything put together. Got the battery connected, all the stuff connected, and we'll be firing it up. Oh shit.
No bullshit.
All right, here's the startup. Here goes nothing.
It's because it was warm. That's why. It's
Yeah.
not. I was expecting chaos, but there you go.
You were saying?
That sounds good. That sounds good. 'Cause, 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 took 1 hour. 1 hour to fucking put long tube headers on his car.
We were at 1 hour, 1 minute, and 40 seconds.
Okay, sorry.
So I was at 2.5 hours. She was at 2:15.
I had
Aaron said 2 hours. We were all off
By now.
by 1 hour. So very impressive. Let's get out of here. All right, all paid out. $519 for install. Look, got her parked out front. Got it fired up. Sounds amazing. So we're gonna do some exhaust sound test, different exhaust modes to show you what it sounds like. So as we said before, we got the stainless power headers going into the Steeda H pipe, going into the Ford factory mufflers with the active exhaust. So we're gonna do a startup, go through the different exhaust modes. So now it's in quiet mode.
That sounds good.
Not bad, but I mean it's quiet mode. That's for lame old people.
Do it again.
So that's normal mode. Now that was sick.
Sounds gnarly. What is, that's a what?
ESS kit.
Yeah, that's the ESS.
No, I know it's the ESS, but it's the G3X?
G4.
Oh, it's a G4. I was gonna say, that looks massive.
Yeah, it's a G4.
Got the
Dude.
massive, big...
That's beautiful.
That sounds good.
One last walk around before we head on back to the house. We'll do some pulls on it. See how it sounds. I'm sure it's gonna sound awesome.
What kind of power does it make?
But anyway, gonna go ahead and close this one out. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you do like what you see and you'd like to see more content like that, please like and subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell us what you think about it. I think it sounds amazing, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. So, that being said,